Hi guys, and welcome to the 2018 Russia World Cup. The match will be played with Croatia versus France. I hope the best team may win, and I hope both teams may play well. For those Croatian fans who are watching this tutorial is for you, because I am going to show you how to make the Croatian soccer team badge. It's quite easy. It's just a little bit lengthy in some ways and repetitive. So, to begin, we need half a square of paper, blue, and a full sheet of red paper. We're going to start out with the red paper, and we are going to make an 8 by 8 grid. To make an 8 by 8 grid, you will fold in half, unfold, fold in half the other way, unfold, fold each edge to the middle line, now you're going to fold each edge to the quarter mark, this mark, and to the opposite quarter mark. Okay, once you are done with your 8 by 8 grid, you are going to fold diagonally a corner up so that it crosses between these 2 points, so that there's a crease along these 2 points. So it will valley fold up like this. You're going to do that on all 4 corners. You're going to turn over and valley fold along the first 8th crease, which is this crease, that crease, and that crease. You're going to valley fold along them. Good. Now you're going to turn over and you're going to put your index finger on the corner and you're going to bend it back like this, and you're going to fold like that. And you're going to do on all 3, you're going to do on all 4 corners. Make sure that this does this does not happen, where you get your index finger and then like this flap pops out. What should happen is that on the reverse side. Right, now that you have that, if you're gonna fold along this crease and this crease, just watch me before you do this. You're gonna mountain fold here, valley fold here, and valley fold here, and then you are going to valley fold like this, okay? You're gonna line up these two edges so that the flaps meet here and everything is in harmony, and you're going to pinch up here. You're gonna fold to one side without flattening the middle too much so that this edge will hit this edge. And you're gonna flatten completely. And you're gonna fold the other way until the same thing happens. Then you're gonna lift the flap back up, put your thumb inside this pocket and squash down. You're gonna lift this flap back up and leave it like this. By the way, folks, this is an origami adapted out of another guy's tutorial. I will post the link in the video. It's a checkered corner bookmark, and so you can fit it into like the corner of your bookmark. I think there are some steps that I'm not including here, so if you want to make this origami, go to the video. You're gonna turn over. Sorry, no, you're not gonna turn over. You're gonna bring this flap back over, and you're gonna fold along this edge. Valley fold along this edge. Gonna turn over, and you're going to valley fold along this edge, along that. Yeah. Okay. So now you're gonna keep it turned over, and you're gonna fold this edge to this white line. Same here, you're gonna fold this edge to this crease. Turn over, and you're gonna, on this corner right here, you're gonna just fold it back a little bit to round it off. Gonna do the same on the other side, and we are now going to get our blue piece of, sorry, that was bad, our blue piece of paper ready. So get your blue half square, and you're going to fold the white part up to this line, up to the center line. If you don't have the center line, just fold the paper in half. You don't have to do what I just did it because it's easier for me. Okay, now you're gonna take it back, unfold it, and fold this edge to that line. Now you're gonna unfold it and fold this edge to this line. So if you want to, you should unfold this crease right here, so that you can just like pinch the two creases together like that. It's a very easy technique that's very satisfying and very easy to use. Okay, so now you're going to keep this, fold the white flap up on this crease, turn over and fold in half this way. Unfold, fold these two edges to the middle. Now you're going to fold this in half like this. Very easy. You're going to get your badge and you're going to put your badge away, and you are going to fold this edge to the middle here. Turn over and fold this edge to the middle. Crease lightly, undo and fold the edge to the crease you just made. Crease sharply here. Turn over. Now get your badge and put your badge away again and fold this paper in half at the top, just on this way, and just fold it, pinch fold it up to that crease. So that's what it looks like. Now you're going to get your badge and you're going to lay your blue piece of paper on top of it like this. You're going to fold this paper over to the back like this, lining up the center crease with the center crease. And you're going to fold this point to this line, this crease right here, while meeting with this point. So just watch. There, like that. You're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure this flap does not, the blue flap does not move around too much. There, and you should have it like this. Fold it back, fold it back. Mount and fold it along the center, just like, bend it backwards along the center, just like that. And there, it should work like that. So now, on the bottom, we're going to fold up on this line right here. If you have made the mistake, like I have just made, where this corner peeks out, try and pull the paper to it to cover this, to line up with this point, or just refix this part. Okay, so now that's mostly fixed. Turn the paper over and fold this corner over to this side. So like that. Fold both corners over to that side, like that. Now fold this flap, this white flap, down along this edge Now you're going to round this white flap. You're going to round it up so that it looks round. So to do that, to round it out on the top, lift it up a little bit and put your thumb here and your index finger right here and just like push it in. Like that. And then like fold that back flap back over. You're warping the fold a little bit and making it really messy. But you know, you can't really see it if you do it properly. And do the same on the other side. And if you need to, you can shape it some more. Okay, so now on the bottom section, you're going to do the same as here. You're just going to fold this corner backwards. Right, and so now you got like nearly an octagon. So now you're just going to like press the edges, the points that you want, and fold them backwards and round them, and whatever you need to do. It's very easy to do. I use my nail and I push the corner into the paper, and so that it doesn't really fold, but it like does that. Except it folds it like more like that. And there you go. Now the final step is to fold everything loosely backward, like this, along the center crease. And there is your World Cup Croatian soccer team badge. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and share it with your friends. Goodbye and best luck to your team.